Hey everybody, how's it going today? We are going to talk about HBAR. Hedera HBAR is getting close to the danger zone. So we're going to talk about that in this video, what that means, and potentially where this price is going to end up. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching over there, and let's get into it. So I'm going to share this first before we get into our technical analysis and basically all that good stuff. We're sitting right now at about 22.5 cents. HBAR is not faring out so well over the last 7 days. Take a look at that, down about 25%, and still dropping. We're still in a downtrend, and it doesn't seem to be relenting just yet. So let's jump over. I'm going to take a look at some analysis here and take a look at some potential price targets. So a sharp double-digit decline over the past week. Now it's brought it down below the support levels that it has since struggled to break above. HBAR could continue to struggle with further downside likely in the short term. Broader market decline and weak demand for HBAR is basically what's causing this. We've seen Bitcoin kind of struggling in that between that really about the 95 K to 100K mark. It's been kind of just back and forth, fairly volatile in that area. So it kind of almost into a consolidation zone now, right? We just don't quite know who's in control, if it's the bears or the bulls. And it's, we're just kind of floating along, just kind of treading water. So the price is broken below the Ikimoku cloud, which now forms a strong resistance above it. And I'm going to tell you what that means here. So this is the Ikimoku cloud. I hope I'm saying that right. I do believe that is the pronunciation, but you can see this green area here, and it has a green line up here, and I believe it's a green line. I'm a little color challenged, and a red line down here. So basically what this means is if the price action is above the Ikimoku cloud, like up here, then it's in an uptrend. And if it dips down below the cloud, down below this red line, then we're in a downtrend. So that's basically what it's showing. It measures the momentum of the assets market trends and identifies potential support and resistance levels. And so, as I said, it has fallen down below the cloud. It's also pushed down below its 20-day exponential moving average, or the EMA, confirming the bearish outlook above. Because really what we do is you don't normally take into consideration just one indicator, right? And like the Ikimoku cloud, you'll usually combine a few things. And one couple that I always look at is EMAs, and RSI, and then I'll factor in a few others like the Ikimoku cloud or whatever it is I happen to be looking at. It could be, Fibonacci, it could be a number of different things, right? But the 20-day EMA tracks the average price over the last 20 days. Right now, it's trading above its 20-day EMA, which suggests a bullish momentum. But we are showing weakening demand and a potential shift to a bearish trend as sellers gain some dominance here. The RSI is showing right now at 35, and really what that means is anything above 70 is usually a bullish. It's overbought, right? Or not bullish, sorry, it's overbought. So that means that there could be a correction coming, and anything under 30 could be a reversal. We could see it's oversold, is what we normally say. Is the selling has gone down so far, has accumulated so much that it's almost undervalued at that point, where we're expecting the price to kind of bounce back up. So it's in bearish territory right now, but it's not oversold, being at 35. If it continues to go down the 20-cent price zone, we could potentially see 16 cents after 20 if it does break down below that 20-cent mark. If we are to go the other way, if we get a bit of a trend reversal, we could potentially push up to 28 cents. And after a successful test of 28 cents, we could potentially push up to 40. So yeah, so things are just, kind of treading water. Like I said, we've got this sideways, slightly downward momentum going on here. The overall month has been in that downtrend as well, but HBAR has obviously had a fairly big run up here, and we were really due for a really large correction, in my opinion, just with the overall market. And like I've said in previous videos, there's never been a more bullish time in crypto, in my opinion. So having these pullbacks and having these almost basement type prices is a really good thing sometimes for accumulation and maybe rebalancing portfolios and things like that. But obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do what's right for you, depending on your portfolio and how what your investing strategy is like. But these are the types of prices that are great for accumulation, and it's making for a ton of opportunity. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.